Hey, to turn on or off the screensaver on your Galaxy M34 5G, first you have to open the settings, and from here you have to go into the display. Now scroll down and go into the screensaver. From here you can find few options. The first one, you can get simple colors. When you click on the preview, you will actually find how it looks. So that's your screensaver preview. You can also go for the photo table or frame. And now when you click on this icon, you can actually get into your camera, and now you will have like preview of these photos that you select. So that's how it looks in my case. I just take photo of this box, and all these photos will appear on my screensaver. When I click on it, I can actually just take a look for it. And that's also the photo frame. So instead of this photo table, you will get like the screen full with the image. So let's select all of them, go back and take a look how it looks right now. Wait for the loading screen, and there it looks. That's how it looks. And also you can select all photos from your Google Photos. And that's basically it. Right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.